what I wanted to talk to you about today is jewelry. So if you remember, probably about a year ago, I had got a new ring for my wedding ring. I had ordered this ring and it is a Moissanite ring. The reason I'm showing you this one is because I've had it for over a year. I wear it pretty regular. This ring has held up. I wanted to show you that because I have had it for a year. And on that note, this one as well. This is a Moissanite as well. I love Moissanite. If you don't know what that is, it is an actual gemstone. It's used in jewelry in replacement of diamonds very often. It is the second toughest stone underneath the diamond because the diamond is the highest number in strength that you can get, which is a 10. Moissanite is like, I think like 9.5, and it is super tough. It doesn't get scratched. It doesn't get cloudy. A lot of times if somebody would use cubic zirconium in a replacement of a diamond, over time it gets cloudy and it does get scratched very easy. I think it's like an 8 on the strength scale. But as you can see, okay, I wanted to turn the camera around so you can actually see it's not cloudy, it's in good condition, and it's been a year. But it is just as beautiful, and it's been a year. And this one, okay, this one does have stones on the inside and on the face of it. So if a ring was going to lose its luster, this one would be the one. I literally wear this ring every day. I wear it to cook. I wear it to, I put lotion on with, I don't take my jewelry off. I put lotion on. I wear it gardening. It gets covered in dirt. I literally wear it all the time. I don't take it off. It has not faded. It has not lost its brilliance at all. I've had it for about a year. So I wanted to point those out to you because I wanted to show you how durable Moissanite is. As far as like the fire, the brilliance of the stone, diamonds reflect like a white light and they're gorgeous. You do see hints of rainbow colors in there when you move the stone around when the light hits it. And as we all know, diamonds are gorgeous. Moissanite actually has a little bit more of a rainbow look to it, so it's more the glimmer and the shine you get from it is just so like breathtaking. The rainbow effect and the glimmer, and it's just so beautiful. So with that being said, I was gifted 2 pieces of jewelry, well technically 3, by a company called Read Your Heart. Now I had not heard of this company before, but I will say that I am thoroughly impressed with how I received the package and how quick. I got it really quick. I want to say it was only like 4 days by the time I ordered it and received it. It was really fast. I don't know about you, but packaging really impacts me. I like pretty packaging. This to me is like that Tiffany's Robin's Egg blue. I love it. I love the packaging. I'm gonna show you the necklace first. It is so breathtaking and like so intricate. Look at that. It has the little stones inside the clasp, the cushion cut with the halo around it in a necklace, which I love. That is just gorgeous. And I will turn this camera around so you can see this. So you can really see the detail in this. I love this necklace. It is just so beautiful. The ring, look at that. This is 3 carat. These are 2 separate rings here. Like as soon as I opened the box, I was like, wow, that is just stunning. Okay, something that I noticed with the ring that I had gotten last time, this one feels very light, and I did mention that. Like compared to my birthstone, which is a real birthstone, real gold, it has some weight to it. So the other one didn't. This one does. This one has a little weight to it. It feels really nice. And the fit. So again, the other ring, when I ordered it, the sizes run a little bit big. These don't. These are true to size, which I'm so thrilled, because honestly, I don't wear the other one that often because of the size. These are true to size. Look at that. I feel like a princess. That is so gorgeous. I can't even believe how beautiful that is. So of course I'll turn the camera around, but that is so beautiful. Okay, I wanted to show you up close and personal what this ring looks like. This is in the shade. You can see how unbelievably sparkly it is and how high it sits on your finger. And this off the finger, I wanted to show you on this side, right underneath that big stone, there's little tiny stones. I don't know if you can see them, but it is just so gorgeous. I mean, look at the fire in those stones. That is what you get with moissanite. It's just breathtaking, really. These are the kind of boxes I would actually leave sitting out, because I am a decor person. I like how things look sitting out. These are the kind of boxes I would leave sitting out because they have that Tiffany's look, that robin's egg blue. I love it. Okay, so like I said, when you order it, you get a gift bag in case you're giving it as a gift, but it also gives you this. So what this is you have your info on the company. They're kind of introducing themselves to you and giving you a history. They give you all of the websites, all of the different social media sites that you can go to find them. And also they give you instructions on the care of your rings or whatever jewelry it is. They give you a polishing cloth, and they also give you certificates for your jewelry. It's got a little welcome thing here, and it says this certificate of authenticity ensures that your GRA and Gales moissanite is an original of exceptional quality and craftsmanship. We are committed to its everlasting fire and brilliance to ensure that you are fully covered by your warranty. Please read the information on the card upon receipt, and please note all jewelry purchases have 12 months limited warranty period from date of purchase. So that is what this is. It is a warranty. So they're giving you the information and your number for that particular piece of jewelry. So I believe this is for the necklace. And then the rings have a separate warranty card. This is just giving you all of the pertinent information about moissanite and the testing. It gives you what kind of testing they do to ensure that you are getting quality jewelry. Even the envelope is like a good quality envelope. That might sound weird, but I pay attention to those things. I mean, if a company is being cheap about something, you're gonna see it in the packaging. You're gonna see it in their labeling and this type of stuff that they send with it. This is quality. Isn't that gorgeous? So I'm gonna take you to the website and show you exactly what they've got. Okay, like I said before, I'm gonna leave the links to everything down below in the description box. They have so many beautiful pieces of jewelry. They've got women's rings, they've got men's rings, they've got necklaces, earrings, bracelets, and they also have birthstones. So you could potentially put your birthstone in a necklace, or maybe a loved one's birthstone as a gift. This is the time of year we need to be thinking about gifts, because if you haven't noticed, because of everything happening in the world, shipping is kind of slow. So You probably need to order stuff early if you want to get it here on time, or don't take a risk of it being slow. I did get my jewelry quick, but that doesn't mean that might not change later. So they're offering my subscribers 15% off site-wide with my code, which is all capitals Tina15, and I will have that below as well. So make sure and check out their website. There we go. Ooh. Oh my God, I love the length of it. So it's a little bit adjustable, of course, but that's like perfect. Okay guys, as you know, I don't do a lot of reviews. So if I do a review, it's because I really am sharing with you something that I think is a good product. I do love Moissanite Jewelry, and I am just so thrilled that the sizing is right. I hate ordering stuff online because you never know what size you're gonna get. I mean, it might say, but yeah, this is accurate. So thrilled with that. So I love this ring. Let me know if you have any Moissanite jewelry and what your thoughts are on it. Yeah, it's been nice sitting out in the garden with you and chatting. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will talk to you next time. Bye-bye for now.